Ion is made of the complex carbon molecules made by bacteria and fungi when they metabolize or consume food. In that metabolite production, small carbon molecules are able to bind to oxygen and hydrogen in a unique way that's called redox chemistry. Redox, as a word, is the combination of the word reduction and oxidation. Reduction is the description of the donation of an electron, and oxidation is the consumption or the absorption of an electron. Redox describes a molecule that's capable of releasing and binding electrons. In this way, these molecules that generate and support redox signaling are able to pass information or electrical signals through complex cellular systems. It has been extraordinary to discover in our laboratories over the last decade that the communication network between human cells is not engineered by those human cells, but by the microbiome. This has helped us close the loop between the correlation of poor microbiome with poor health, rich microbiome and good health. While those correlations had been witnessed in the years previous to our discovery, the causation hadn't been quite uncovered. How does a rich microbiome support human health? And the answer was in this redox chemistry of the carbon metabolites of the bacteria and fungi. By reconstituting the communication network between human cells, we engender and support the regenerative capacity of each human cell. Each human cell is in a constant state of repair. Protein synthesis, enzyme production, workforce for detox, reconstruction of infrastructure from the proteins inside the cell to the proteins that connect cells together, the tight junctions, the gap junctions. It's such an extraordinary infrastructure that is the universe or city structure of a human body. That regenerative process is constant. We're literally millions of repairs happening every second in your body. And that regenerative capacity relies on seamless communication. When communication breaks down, a cell doesn't even know where or what to begin in the repair process. Ion is that reconnect of the communication network of the microbiome that allows human cells to talk within themselves and together. And in that coordination of the symphony of life within you, Ion supports this journey into repair and regeneration at a rate that no supplement has ever created before.